next question. We learned from Iyov that when a person is in pain, the judgment on him would be different from those in normal status. I wonder if this applies to emotional pain.
I'm not sure if I understand the question. When in the case of Iyov, so he had the emotional pain and he had the physical pain. So the judgment was different. Could you read this part? I didn't get that. Something's missing.
Yes. It says we learned from Iyov that when a person is in pain, I would assume our friend means physical pain. The judgment on him would be different from those in normal status. So the question goes, I wonder if this applies to emotional pain. Yeah.
I guess maybe judgment would be different. I mean, person, if I understand the question correct, but something is missing. We need a little clarification. But I would explain that the way I understood the question. So meaning if a person is already like under the judgment, maybe he did something else as well. But since the suffering, so it of course he is going to get some, or she's we're going to get some discounts, while during like in the midst of the suffering, right? If you must be judged for something at the same time. But in the case of Iyov, this mental pain, like he was going through the mental pain and physical pain, and mental pain, they're not very different from physical pain, right? And people, for example, when I give you this simple example, we actually learn in Nishmat Abraham, in medical class, right? So we said that person, when he or she gets scared, can die from the heart attack. So it was like somebody jump or some like loud explosions, like something happened, right? And person dies. Like there was no physical pain, right? It was something emotional, right? So like person scared, and because of person got scared, something happened with the heart, could not contain the pressure, this and that, and person dies, right, from this, right? Or when somebody is scared, so he or she becomes very cold. Like, what is it? Like, it's very hot in the room. Like before you know about the danger, you are not cold. Now you're cold. How's it possible? Right. So for us, there is no difference. It's physical. So physical suffering, like spiritual suffering, is the same. Person's body feels the same, like suffers the same as a physical. There is no difference.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So our friend just clarified here. So friend says when he was in pain, the words he said were not taken as severe in Shamayim for punishment.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So when the words were said, yes, because when person is under the pressure, right, or under the pain, they can react differently. So, but that's not what they meant to say. You understand? It was it was like a squeeze from them by the pressure. So three things we had this clip as well. I'm not sure if it's out. I think it does. I don't remember. So three things that define a person, right? It's what is his cup, his wallet, and his anger, right? But it's under normal circumstances. But pain is not one of them, for sure not.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.